Here is a 52-inch Emerson 1895 series ceiling fan, finished in polished brass, lovely walnut stencil blades, and this low profile light kit, which I believe is genuine Emerson, has kind of a cool amber tint to it. It's got the lovely flower edges in there. I still got to clean it up. I just gave it a quick wipe down, really, but it needs a lot more love. Get your reverse switch up here. See if I can find the tag. There it is. No date code on it, but I guess it's probably from the 80s sometime. I've never owned one of these, and I've never been up close to one of them either, so it's very cool to see, you know, one of these up close and personal. I remember a long time ago, my uncle had one of these over his dining room table. Had a different light kit, but it was one of these, and it was always kind of cool to me. There's the light. 2 out of the 3 bulbs still work, and those bulbs came with it from Habitat, so that's pretty cool. You can better see the amber glow from the light kit. It was a real pain in the neck to put together, but that bulb right here is burned out. Very interesting. I'm sure they came like this, but I didn't know this. But this fan is actually a 4-speed. So we'll go ahead and fire it up on the lowest speed here. Very nice low speed at that. So here is medium low. Here's medium. Fan kind of makes a knocking sound. If you can pick up on it, I'm not sure if the blades are loose or what, but that is something I'm going to have to address. There's high. You can hear a very slight motor whine. Very powerful fan, very well balanced as well. Reminds me a lot of my old Lasco here, except this fan is much better quality. There's off. Definitely a different one. Pretty cool to finally have one of these. I would have preferred antique brass, but this one will clean up nice, and I'm sure it's in pretty good shape too, so maybe it'll get a spot in the house. So yeah, thanks for watching.